In an old market, the story's hero, Sami, discovers an intriguing old watch. When he buys it, he feels something strange. Sami, what is this peculiar watch? It seems to hold a secret. Sami returns home and begins to explore the watch. Suddenly, it starts moving on its own, glowing blue. Sami, what is happening? Events accelerate, and suddenly Sami finds himself in the past, in the same market, but it looks completely different. Sami, astonished. Am I in the past? Sami wanders through the market and meets famous historical figures like an old merchant and a historian. Merchant, you are a strange visitor. What brings you here? Sami hears about an important historical event and wants to change it, but he realizes it could have unforeseen consequences. Sami, I must stop this event, but what if I cause a greater disaster? After attempting to change the event, he returns to the present to find that things have changed dramatically. Sami, I've failed. What have I done? Sami discovers he needs to use the watch again to fix what happened, and he embarks on a difficult journey to restore things to the way they were. Sami, I must go back and fix what I've done. After great effort, Sami returns to the present, but this time he carries an important lesson about the significance of history and the impact of actions on the future. Sami, I've now realized that history must be respected. I will never use the watch again.